Hello, this is a quick tutorial for us Gen X and baby boomers that are not as tech savvy as the younger generations. I'm on my YouTube homepage right now, and if you're just browsing and you looked up YouTube, but you don't have your own YouTube channel, you need to get a Gmail account to be able to have your own channel on YouTube. That way you can subscribe to different videos. But here I'm searching for a video, and I'm going to type in Gen X Talks because it's one of my favorite shows to watch. I love the sarcasm and the intellect on the show. Just have to be able to spell it right. But anyway, if you don't have your own Gmail account set up, before you can have your own account on YouTube, you have to get that set up. But as you can see, I typed in Gen X Talks, and the second button that I'm going to over here will help you to subscribe. As you can see, I'm already subscribed, but then I can unsubscribe also and then subscribe back. Sorry, Gen X Talks, I just had to show them what I was doing. This is a very good show. I recommend it. But if you're just browsing on YouTube and you need to search and you know what video you're looking for, you just type in the show that you're going to look for, and YouTube search will show the subjects that you're looking for, and you can just scroll down the page and select different videos that way. Now over here to the right, there's some buttons. One is their subscribe button and their channel button. The second one is for captions. And the third one is, if you hit it, you're liking the video. You can only do that one time when you subscribe. And the fourth button is if you dislike your video that you watched. The fifth button is, I believe, to send them a message so they can read what your comments are. Thanks for watching my video.